Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this throws you all the way back to when I used to do makeup, which obviously I still do. And I actually want to bring back these makeup tutorials, not only because, I really like talking to y'all, but also because honestly, I love watching makeup videos again, and I've noticed that the most videos I like watching are application videos. This is my beautiful model, Tuve, and honestly, we had such a deep discussion while we were doing this makeup tutorial that I had to leave part of the discussion in it. So I'm gonna stop at some point talking so you can, listen to the discussion, especially as a creative. However, this look was so beautiful. I actually was doing a shoot with her and I love the way everything came out. I'm going to list everything I used in the description down below. But honestly, I'm loving doing makeup again and it's something that I generally lost passion for a second there, and just doing it again has brought out a sense of passion. So if you're in the DMV area, you're looking for a makeup artist, I'm your girl. Email me at info@ronkeraji.com and let's get into the discussion part of this video.
You watch people,
Yeah,
they tell you their playbook. They
Yeah.
tell you what to do. The
Yep.
problem is most people don't do it because they
They
don't
don't
want
implement
to.
it. Yeah.
Because they're ready for the opportunities that you would get. Are you ready? Okay.
Which goes back to like what I was saying initially,
perfecting
right?
your craft. Okay, what I remember the first time that I was set to do celebrity makeup. And I remember thinking to myself that I had to change my whole technique because I wasn't actually confident in my technique. I wasn't comfortable with the technique that I had at the time. Now, if they call me to do it, I'll do what I do. You know what I mean? Because I'm comfortable with how I do makeup, and I like how I do makeup.
Yeah.
But it's just like going back to modeling.
Yeah.
If you're not doing it consistently, if they come and they say, "Oh, hey, could you do this, this, and this?"
Oof.
You won't know how to
So
do it because you're not doing it free, or
This
you're
is
not
so
even
good.
doing it just because you want to. You're
Yeah.
doing it because you're like, "Oh, maybe if I get this big thing," or do it for yourself. You know, put yourself out there. Go to shows. Shoot. Literally, you can do a whole week of just shooting with photographers and have like a month of content. Photographers are always looking for models. Always, every single day. So you can just do modeling shoots. People. You know how they say fake it till you make it. People want to see you're doing something. Even this whole influencer thing, that's what it is. It's about. It's about acting like you're working with brands so that brands will work with you. That's really what it's about. A lot of people keep thinking, oh, and I've seen this discourse so much on social media where they're like, oh, come and pay me. How would they pay you if they don't know that you are going to even...
Why would they invest?
What do they know they're paying you for?
Yeah.
Go and show them, like, oh, this is what I can do for... Let me tell you, I started last year doing random perfume campaigns just because I wanted to. Girl, I started getting sent perfume campaigns. Next thing I got a Dolce & Gabbana campaign. Paid. But people would have thought I was stupid because I was doing Prada campaigns, all the other campaigns. They were like, this one, they're not paying. But you will get it.
Oh, Jesus, that's it. That's it.
Oh, this is even inspiring me. Maybe I should just be doing makeup and chit chat.
Gosh.
Makeup and chit chats because
Honestly,
this commentary is too. The commentary is too good. I do you know how many times I've gotten chills in this conversation?
Like, it's me, not you. Me. She almost made me cry, guys. Okay, she didn't want to tell you guys that. She almost made me cry. Okay, so
no, but seriously,
because I'm so sick and tired of people like always asking like, oh, how much are you making? How much did they pay you to do X, Y, and Z? And it's like,
you have to have
this
your
is
own
not
roadmap.
Yeah,
you have to have your own roadmap. You have to have your own place because people, you can't let somebody who doesn't know where you're going tell you what to do.
You're not in the creative industry, my dear. My dear.
Like, you don't know what it is. Like, why would you? You cannot. This world, let me tell you. I remember when I first, there was this inspiratorial, this same thing I'm telling you about now, this inspiratorial thing I wanted to do. And I remember at the time, I had been telling a couple of people that I wanted to do it. Like, oh, there's this thing I want to do. They're like, sounds kind of weird, but okay, if you want to do makeup and inspire people, that's fine. You can do it. Not a lot of people thought it was a thing. Right? Till today, the highest watch video on my YouTube channel is my inspiratorials. Like, you know what I mean? if you have a vision,
Oh my gosh, I can hit your leg right now.
like
Yep.
when I talk, is it
Yup.
who's giving you the vision? Is it them?
Oh, my key and my cozy. Yeah.
Oh,
Key.
is it them that is giving you the vision? So if it's not them giving you the vision, how can they see it fulfilled? Like, I might not have been a planner, but I had a very strict plan. I said, marry, have children, be a stay-at-home mom because I'm an influencer. Was I fulfilling my dream? Yes, but God said, this is not the dream I have for you.
Yeah.
That man, he needs to go. That man needs to go. Because the plan I have for you, it cannot be fulfilled with that man in your life.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah.
If that man is your life, oh no, you gonna go to other places.
Yeah.
Not the place I need
I
you to
have
go.
for you, yeah.
You know? So it's like, and the thing is that his plan is always greater. We might not understand it. And you know, the thing is, like, I have, in this season of life, I have started getting okay with feeling lost and being okay with being lost.
And you know what?
It's okay.
All that wonder are not really lies.
One thing that I actually have a problem with Christians for sometimes, we've forgotten that the wilderness was 40 years.
She preached to y'all.
We've forgotten the wilderness was 40 years. It wasn't small. You wandered in the wilderness. We forget that the Bible is literally telling us stories of people who have done God's favor and been through trials so that we understand how to go through trials.
Because I think we're going to go through trials.
You don't say. Yeah. Joseph?
Yeah.
Job?
She said Joseph. Yeah.
Job?
Oh, yeah.
The Bible stories are famous for a reason.
Oh, yeah.
The trials are what make you what you become.
Come on.
It's not the happy moments. Everybody's chasing happiness. You're not supposed to be chasing happiness. Give me the trial. Let me no, God, please. I don't want to. I'm already done with
struggle. You know, I said a prayer like that though. I told somebody, I was like, you know, I prayed and I told God that I want to like go through it so hard, and she literally told me, she said, don't pray stuff like that. And but me, I said, no, I want it
because that's what you know. People go to the gym. When you go to the gym, what do? You're tearing your muscles.
Right.
Damaging. You're tearing your muscles so that you can get stronger.
Right.
And that's why a lot of people see the utmost respect, whether or not you have it going on in your life. The utmost respect I have for people that go to the gym is because it takes a level of discipline
and self-denial.
Yes, to be like, oh, this pain, I'm feeling it, and I'm still going to go through it.
It's not me, honey.
Oh, not girl.
Not me.
Not me either, girl.
But you said that dark moments are, or how should I say this? Yeah. But you said it's like that's what it's made for.
Yes.
The dark moments are, or I almost want to like switch it backwards, where it's like the creativity is made for our dark moments.
Yes.
In a way.
Yes.
It's something that is not even supposed to really make sense in the mind. It's kind of like a thing where it's going to make sense later.
You know, the person who I always think about sometimes is Frida Kahlo. You know, she's so well known. A lot of people, they look at her, they're like, oh, the lady with the one brow. And girl, that lady had lost so much stuff. That's why she started painting. She started painting because she went through. So Pablo Picasso, literally the most famous painter that everybody looked, he was in a mental hospital. That's why he was painting. Body that you see successful, something has to propel you to want the level of success you attain. If something does not propel you, you're gonna stay in the same place. So he gives us struggles. God gives us struggles to propel you. Like I always tell people, I'm like, God, if you do not give me children, I even said this literally yesterday. If you do not give me children, and I married somebody and I was with them for 11 years, I would not have been able to push myself out of any hole that I would have put myself in, because I would have been like, for what? There's no hope.
Yeah.
But giving me children made me realize, there's something else. So there's something else bigger than me, you know. So it's like, even though it's annoying and like we would much rather, but how would you know happiness if you don't know sadness? Like how would you, like, it can't just be one emotion. You gotta know both. Both. That's why that movie Inside Out really makes me happy, because it's like it shows you like you got to know both. You can't just, you know,
getting paid, because who's paying you to do this, right? So it's like in the moment I'm just like, I'm just like, yeah, my life is trash, right? And then after a while I would always type on my phone pregnancy vlogs, you know, going to it's like I didn't know why, so I thought maybe I was called to be an OBGYN.
Yeah.
So when she asked me that question, I told her, I mean, this was obviously 2023, I don't know what I know now. So I told her, I said, fashion. I said, I don't know, I can't shake off the pregnancy thing though, so maybe still OBGYN. So she now told me, well, Tuvie, maybe you could just be a midwife. I said, you know what, maybe that's better. Right. I said, maybe that's better. So then I said, I looked into midwifery and I realized that you don't need to be a doctor, you can be a nurse. So that's kind of maybe what made me try to do the nursing thing. So yeah, that was happening 2024, which was last year. I was working for a doctor. She's a Nigerian psychiatric nurse practitioner, and I was her administrative assistant. And yeah, I quit.
When people are thinking of, okay, what do I want to do? Okay, first, what do you envision yourself doing that would be fun? If yours is modeling, how am I going to get there? Take courses that will make you get there. You don't even need courses. Shadow people. Start going to New York Fashion Week, seeing how other models meet other models. Oh, how do you meeting people? Actually living your life is what is gonna get you the opportunities. Because you never know. Oh, you meet this person. Oh yeah, that's true. I even know that person. Oh, let me connect you with. Oh, have you seen this girl? That's how it is. You know that one of the top models right now that's in vogue everywhere. And what's her name? I was in Yard Fest. A photographer took her photo. She's on cover of Vogue. That's literally
just because she was around.
She was just a beautiful girl. She was just a beautiful girl. Somebody took her photo of. You have to you have to put yourself out there. And when people say put yourself out there, live your life. Go into the world. Go all the opportunities. See, you have kids. See, if I didn't have kids, I would not be in this house. I'll be in New York. I will be everywhere. I was gonna say,
aren't you from New York?
Girl, no, I just used to go there I used to go there all the time. When I didn't have kids, I was always in New York. Sometimes I won't even go for a reason. I would just go to be around other creative people.
You don't understand.
Do stuff.
You don't understand.
But mega bus ticket is $40.
You don't understand. I literally texted my friend. I said, I need to understand this whole thing about moving to New York.
Go to New York.
Because I'm trying to get into fashion.
You don't have to even move. If you want to move, you should just be going.
Yeah.
And do you know how, bruh, in fact, now that I know you're here, I will start sending you the opportunities. One of my sister's friends, she's technically my sister, but one of my friend's sisters, I just sent her 2 opportunities from New York because she lives in New Jersey. The first opportunity I sent her, Danessa had posted that she was looking for a face for a project in New York. The second opportunity was topicals. They just had a pop up. They said, "Come if you're a model." New York. Opportunity will be. In fact, strategy is
it's our job.
It's falling down, looking at yourself, being like, maybe I shouldn't do this, and getting back up again. Continuously, over and over. There's no stopping, and that's why passion is needed. Because I think honestly, if I'm going to be real, I think that's most of what fuels me.
People say that, but then it's like you don't really need it. You know what I mean?
You don't have passion every time. In fact, to be honest, I've lost passion so many times. I can't even count.
But it's also the passion that brings you back to it.
Yes, that's true. And also, sometimes I look back. It's so weird because there's this saying. It's like a Ghanaian. It's not even a saying. It's just like a Ghanaian thing where they're like Sankofa. Like you have to look back to look forward. And a lot of times I would just go back to not even back to my beginning of my influence. I'll go back to my childhood. To see the things that I used to like.
There, yeah.
Yes, and when I see myself I used to draw, I used to do all these things, and I remember yearning for days where I wish I could be an artist, but I don't know how.
Right.
I can do it now. I'm an adult. I can do whatever I want. I don't have to be tied down. So a lot of times, man, we are our own worst critics, but we also are the people that are stopping us the most. All the time. We are stopping ourselves. We don't even realize it. That's my chef. Oh. Hey, aside from being an influencer, I study a lot on trends and things like that. And they keep saying it. The next wave of influencers are just people being themselves. It's not really about. It's no longer about. Even with myself, sometimes I'd be trying to change my aesthetic because I'm like, guys, I promise I'll be myself. It's just that I like white background and it's cute. But sometimes they be like, are you human or are you AI? I'm like, I promise I'm human. I promise. This is a new formula. I don't know if it's good. Don't clap yet.
It's gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good.
The way I be changed, I need a cosmetic chemist. That's the truth. Oh yeah, you can. Sorry.
I wanna after we're done, go and fix it when we come back. I wanna I have my sprays. You said Beyonce or Rihanna? You said
It's a bit of
Beyonce?
both sometimes. You know?
I like the smell, shoot.
Oh yes, brown sugar. Why did I just smile? Brown sugar.
Sugar.
That's actually the vibe of it. It's supposed to be aromatherapy lip gloss.
Right.
So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do the Well, let me make you see yourself so that you can know what we're doing. So like the and then we can do just like a relaxed face. Oh, hey. Wow.
Cover girl.
No, that's what's giving really.
You're supposed to say it.
Oh, cover girl. Best for last. No, that's not what it says. What is that? What is the slogan? You want it, I got it.
Easy,
Oh,
beautiful.
yeah, that's what. That's what I said. This is not going to
Yeah, it's trying to be like any of progress.
Yeah, shifting back a little bit.
Oh, yeah, really wet.
Yeah. You can go there. Yeah. Okay now. Yeah. Oh, not the battery died. Okay.
Charlie, I still down.
Yeah.